Simula na mapisa itong limang magkakapatid na to, hinayaan ko lang sila na gumala sa farm. Hindi sila binibigyan ng special na pagkain. They eat grass. They eat whatever feeds are available. At may mga tubig naman na pwede nilang puntahan para uminom. And this is the real free-range chicken. I don't even know where they roost at night. And in the morning, dito sila sa palibot ng bahay paikot-ikot. Ang lalaki. Wala pang siguro mga 10 months old siguro ito. At sobrang lalaki ito mga manok na ito. So hopefully I will be able to use them in the future as my breeding materials in upgrading my Manok Pinoy, which is actually a crossbreed of the Oriental chicken with huge bodies and tall frames, and the heritage chicken from the West na malakas mang itlog. That basically is what Manok Pinoy is.